Intimate brightening has become one of the most popular and requested services of estheticians, which is why we have this beautiful kit by Prana Spaceuticals. Let's look into it.
So this is the professional service. This is the Intimate Brightening Bikini Peel Kit. Has everything you need to give the services in multiple areas, under the arm, elbow, knees, and intimate areas.
So we have the Hoo Ha cleanser. This is a papaya-based cleanser, so it's slightly exfoliating. Then we have the intimate cleansing solution. I just want to make clear, we're not bleaching here. This is all going to be brightening through exfoliation. Then we have our Bikini Bright Peel. That is a Mandelic peel. Our 10% lactic peel. Our AHA BHA mask. And you will get great before and afters with this, amazing results. Your client will have downtime, but that's how you're going to get those optimal results.
You do this treatment in a series, usually in groups of 3. It's great to incorporate already into your waxing business because you are already set up for intimate draping. You already have those clients that are requesting the service. So if you're doing a lot of waxing, this is a service we suggest that you bring in.